Sunny Health and Fitness Pro Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. Should you buy it? The Sunny Health and Fitness SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike is a sturdy stationary bike that excels in smooth riding, tension range, and adjustments. Setting up this Sunny Health and Fitness bike took about 30 minutes in total and wasn't too difficult. The bike's main frame was already put together with the wheel already attached. We simply had to attach the front and back stabilizers, pieces that hold the bike in its fixed position, pedals, handlebars, and the seat. The provided assembly instructions have diagrams along with detailed instructions that helped move the process along fairly quickly. Though the instructions don't mention it, it's ideal to have another person help when putting it together. It's a pretty heavy bike, weighing nearly 100 pounds, and a few steps require the lifting of the main unit during construction. Design: no frills design. The SF-B901 fits very well in our home in terms of space. It is compact in size, measuring 46.5 by 18 by 46 inches. We found that it didn't take up a lot of room width-wise, which enabled us to pull it pretty far from our wall, ideal for a stationary bike. This bike also comes with 2 roller wheels on the front. Considering that the bike weighs nearly 100 pounds, the rollers made it realistic and pretty easy to move the bike around the room. Plus, the wheels allow the user to easily move it into and out of storage if need be. This bike comes in only one color option, which is somewhat of a bummer since it is gray with accents of cherry red. It really didn't fit in with the decor we had in our fitness room since the cherry red is so bright and prominent. It would have been nice if there was a neutral option. Another inconvenience of the design is its simplicity. It's definitely a no-frills design, lacking in style as well as any extras such as a water bottle holder or an LCD screen to measure calories burned, time, distance, etc. However, we will say that, among exercise bikes on the market, this one is sturdy and solid and made with quality parts. It definitely doesn't feel cheap or as if it's made of poor quality materials. Performance: smooth but noisy. The Sunny Health and Fitness Pro Indoor Bike was perfect for our needs. Over the course of several weeks, we used the bike about 2 times a week for 30 to 40 minutes to get endurance workouts in. After recently moving into a neighborhood that is neither jogger nor biker friendly, this indoor bike was a great option for incorporating a cardio workout into our weekly routine without leaving the house. We loved that it was quick and easy to make adjustments, and it rode smoothly. When first using the bike, we had to adjust both the seat and handlebars to our height and preference. To do so, we loosened the pop pins and then pulled them out as we adjusted the handlebars and seat. Once our desired adjustments were achieved, we let the pop pin go and tightened it firmly to keep the parts in place. Overall, we found that riding this indoor bike was extremely smooth. We didn't notice any jerking or wobbling when riding, which helped keep our workouts going without any hiccups. The 40-pound flywheel helps to keep it running smoothly, supports speed and stability, and maintains momentum, an important feature to have for indoor cycling bikes. One of the downsides of this bike is that it is not quiet. Though it does offer a smooth ride overall, it does not offer a quiet workout. There is a low hum that drones on consistently when riding as we found a steady pace. The Sunny Health and Fitness SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike is a good buy for someone looking to begin cycling or continue cycling without the need for all of the bells and whistles. With its sturdy construction, compact size, easy adjustments, convenient roller wheels, and a 3-year warranty, this indoor bike is well worth the purchase.